So you're interested in hosting a population education workshop? My name is Lindsay.
And I'm Carol.
And we're excited to tell you more about how PopEd workshops can add value, but also fun, to your teacher education classes.
Population education brings to life the very content, skills, and understandings that my students have to then implement in their classrooms.
These future teachers are engaged with content in ways that give them a passion for sharing this for their future students, and they make a commitment to teaching global education.
But I feel like this is perfect for my pre-service teachers to be introduced, so I always appreciate their presence and offer in my class.
Teaching population is all about people. How many of us there are, how we impact the planet, and how we interact with each other and society. PopEd lessons cover topics like wildlife habitats, pollution, and global citizenship in elementary grade levels, and touch on more complex issues like climate change, wealth inequality, and deforestation in secondary grades. Math is woven throughout PopEd lessons and used as a tool for understanding these global challenges. With such a range of topics, PopEd workshops are a great fit for science, social studies, and math methods classes of all grade levels, from kindergarten through 12th grade.
Why do educators love PopEd workshops? They're fun. In PopEd workshops, educators participate in a series of lessons as if they were students themselves, playing games like One for All, where they compete for shared resources, or engaging in simulations like Panther Hunt, where they pretend to hunt for prey in a finite habitat. At the end of PopEd workshops, teachers walk away with ready-to-use curriculum full of lesson plans that are all matched to national and state level standards.
Population education perfectly aligns the content and the experiences with my learners directly to those standards of learning that my students, future students, must know, understand, and be able to do in their own science classrooms.
Workshops highlight best practice teaching strategies and effective cross-curricular instruction, making them a great fit for not only content area courses, but also instructional strategy classes.
They reinforce and exemplify the top pedagogical theories and approaches that I'm trying to teach my students to use in their classrooms.
And last but not least, they're free. As a nonprofit, we are proud to offer PD for pre-service classes completely free of charge.
PopEd has led workshops on over 500 college campuses in the past 10 years. Want to add your group to the list?
Including PopEd in your university class is easy. We'll visit your class as a guest speaker and always tailor the length and focus of the session to your class needs.
For more information on population education workshops, including how to schedule sessions for your class, visit populationeducation.org.
If given the chance to invite population education into your classroom, take it. It's a great partnership, it's a great collaboration, and it adds so much excitement and joy and engagement to the semester. Do it.